Sometimes good or very good is not good enough. So let's learn how to use adjectives with more intensity. One of the ways to express quantity is by using the words many and much. So what's the difference? Use many when the noun is countable. In this example, it is possible to count lovers. One lover, two lovers, three lovers. And use much when it's not possible to count the noun. Can you count love? No, not possible. So what's the opposite of many? Do you know it? It is few, as in I had few lovers. And what is the opposite of much? Do you know it? It is little, as in I didn't have little love. Just be careful never to say few love and little lovers to express quantity, okay? So what about here in this next sentence? Should I use many or much? None, because as you can see, there are no countable or uncountable nouns, but a quality, or also called adjective. So what is the word to be used here as an intensifier? Do you know it? Dun, 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 dun. It is very, as in because I am not very lovable. However, the word very is not used only before adjectives, but also before adverbs. Note that most of them end in ly. And guess what? Very is also used before many, much, few, and little. Surprise! Okay, this part is done, but there is an alternative, another different option to vary. Do you know what it is? Can you guess? So, so let's see it. You can also say, because I am not so lovable, as a substitution to vary. You can also say, I am so deeply loved, to substitute very again. You can also say, I didn't have so many lovers. You can also say, I had so few lovers. You can also say, but I had so much love. And finally, you can say, I didn't have so little love. Yes? That being said, as you can see here, so can be used as an alternative to replace very, all right? Now, let's change the focus only onto the quality aspect of it. Remember that in most cases, the adjectives are followed by a noun, like here in this example. So if that happens, you cannot use so to replace very in this case. However, you can use another different word, or you can think that so mutates into a different word, and that is such a. But you can use such a only if the noun is singular, like in example here, boy. But if it is in the plural form, like here, then you have to use only such. Yes? And then we go to the first exercises to practice that. As you can see, some samples here. And after that, we have oral activity. In this case here, the student has to talk about the pictures using intensity, like here, or like here. What about this next picture? How can you use an intensifier? And then here, and the next one, yet another one. What about this?